Next, to define a path, right-click on the canvas and select the cable icon. Once a path is added, drag it into the green dots on the connectors. These represent the cable exits. Pressing the Select Wire button opens the wire menu similar to the connector menu. Again, you can use filters to find the wire you need. Once selected, make sure to confirm your choice. Now let's set the length for the S1 path. Now we'll add path between connectors C2 and C3 and set its length. Let's also add cable. In the product filter, make sure to select the Coax tab for coaxial cables. If you know the specific manufacturer's part number of a cable, you can search for it using the filter. Now we'll add the label for path S2. Since both coax connectors use the same cable and length, we can simply duplicate the path to speed things up. As you can see, the label gets copied along with it, so we'll just update the label on the second coax path, and then we're ready to move on to the unterminated end. Let's go ahead and add the final path. Since we want the S4 path to be 1 meter in total, we're setting the length to 87 centimeters. The distance from the tip of the connector to the tip of the flying leads, which are 13 centimeters long. It's worth noting that a path can include multiple wires. First, we'll add a paired 24 AWG wire. And now a 26 AWG green wire for grounding. As you can see, you can reset the filters and add as many wires as you need. Once you're done, confirm your selection.